In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook categories. Categories are color-coded labels that help you quickly organize emails, so you can spot what matters at a glance and keep your inbox tidy. They're perfect for grouping messages by project, priority, team, or deadline, and once you set them up, applying them is just a right-click away. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by opening Settings. From there, go to Accounts, then Categories. This is where you manage the full list of labels available to you. To create a new one, click New, type a clear, descriptive name, and choose a color that stands out from the others you already use. If you want to change a label later, select an existing category and click Rename to update the text, or Edit to adjust the color. Keep your naming consistent so categories remain meaningful over time. Once your categories are set, head back to your inbox. To apply a category, right-click an email, choose Categorize, and pick the one you want. You can do this as you process messages so everything stays organized without extra effort. If you're on Classic Outlook, the setup area looks a little different. Right-click any email or item, select Categorize, and then click All Categories. This opens the full list. To create a new category, click New, give it a name, choose a color, and, if you like, set a shortcut key for even faster tagging. When you're done, click OK to save it. To rename or recolor an existing category, select it from the same list, click Rename to change the label, or click the color square to switch its color. After you've configured your list, applying a category is quick. Just right-click an email, select Categorize, and choose the label that fits. A few quick tips as you use categories. Pick colors with purpose, like one for urgent items and another for routine follow-ups, so your eyes immediately know what to tackle first. Keep names short and specific, and avoid creating too many similar categories, which can make choices harder instead of easier. Review your list every so often, and rename or recolor categories as your projects and priorities change. And remember, the real power comes from consistency. Use categories the same way every day so your inbox becomes a reliable dashboard rather than a distraction. That's all you need to confidently set up, manage, and apply categories in both the new Outlook and Classic Outlook. Thanks for watching.